Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous session, I have already completed that multi-authentication system with using that JD stream, right? So that is actually our project. So right now, before we did that work, like if you log in, so there are the two multi-authentication system. So you can log in with the user. So for the user, that will be as a /login, right? So if you put that appropriate email address for the user and the password, if you click as a login, so now here you can see it's now showing as a hi user. So that is our user dashboard, right? And also from here, if you can access that profile, and that is a logout. So right now, if you click as a logout, then that will be as a logout, right? And also there is another portion for the admin logging. So if you want to access that admin logging, that will be as a /admin and then logging. So if you access it, so right now if you put your user email address and the password, then it will be display some of the error. You can see there is something went wrong, there is a credential do not match, right? So if you want to access that admin dashboard, then you have to access put your admin username, that means the admin email address and the passwords. I have already created both of these table. If you go, there is actually the one of the table as a user and another table as a admin. Right friends, I have already discussed about that things with you. So right now if you put your appropriate email address for the admin and the password, click as a login. So now you can see it's now redirected to our another dashboard as an admin dashboard, and then that is also display the hi admin. Right friends, so now I want to update some of the portions. So if you want to start it that things from here, after into the resource folder, I will share one of the folder. So that is the folder you will get as a multi-auth Laravel 8. Okay, so into the multi-auth Laravel 8 here, I have already saved that total source file as a multi-authentication JDStream Laravel 8. So that is the database, and that is our total file. So that is actually we will start it from here. Okay, so if you click as a logout, then that is our total project. So that is our total project. So if you want to start it that things from to this position, you can actually download this folder, and from here you will get that total source file for this appropriate Laravel multi-authentication system. That is our project file, and that is the database file. Okay, so here you have to add this folder, that is project folder. So that is actually right now I'm using, you can see that is actually our project folder. So that is our total project, and into the env here only you have to update your configuration. Like if you go to our project, so that is our project folder, and into the env folder here only you have to update it that database, right? So I have already discussed about that things with you. You can see that is our database as a right now I'm using as a Lara. So that is actually our env, and also you have to import your database. So that is actually our database file. So right now it's perfectly okay with me. So that is our previous section, all that backup file. So you can actually start it that things from here. So that will be actually this type of the things. You can log in with the user, and you can also log in with the admin. Perfect. So right now friend, I want to add some of the theme. I want to add some of the theme, like when you log in with the user, and after that if you click as a login, so that is actually one of the dashboard, right? So here I want to load one of the customized dashboard. So that is our default dashboard. So for this in our this folder, as I told you, I will share this folder here into the project theme, and they have the two type of theme. One is the test theme. So this test theme I want to use in our this dashboard area, and also there is another one as a backend theme. So that will be our admin theme. Okay, so I want to actually add both of these. Step by step, everything will be very much helpful to you. Okay, so for the test theme, if you want to check, there is only the three you can see there is all the css and the jss into the asset folder area, and also there is the index. So if you open that index, like I open it, now you can see that is our index file. So our index file will be just like that same. So here I want to do, when you logging with the user, that means this dashboard, I want to change it, and here I want to customize it with this. Okay, and when you logging with the admin, like I just click as a logout, and when you logging with the /admin and then logging, and if you put your admin username and password, when you click as a login, so that is our admin dashboard. So for the admin dashboard, I want to use another theme. I want to use this theme. Like here, there is another backend theme. There is our admin panel. If you go to that app, and here you can see there is also another theme for our main admin. If you now open it, So for the admin, I want to load this theme. Okay, so here I will actually add both of these themes. That will be for our user logging dashboard, and that will be our admin logging dashboard. And also I will discuss about that things with you, how can working with the profile, that means how can update this profile, how can add the change password option, and much more things. So then that will be very much interactive for you. Okay friends, so how can do that work? In our next video we'll started that things from our user. Okay, so we'll started that things from to the user logging. First of all, I want to change that user logging dashboard, and here I want to load this one. So how can do that work? In our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.